Hey guys, sorry it's been a while since I've done a recording. I've had people on YouTube asking me and on Facebook when you're doing another video. And so I wanted to first of all I hope everybody had Happy New Year's and holidays and all that stuff. But I did have a reason to create a video today, and that is I wanted to show you something. If you are sitting in an office situation like what I am right now, or want to do a YouTube channel or whatever, there's a couple of, minor things that you really need is all. One is your cell phone. Your cell phone is your camera, or can be anyway. Obviously right now that's not what I'm using. Or it could be a GoPro, whatever. The camera is important. And then, the ability to upload it to YouTube, which you can do from your cell phone. Okay? So, but in an office situation, things are a little bit different. And this, I ran across this here at Best Buy. And what it is it's a basic vlogging kit, and in fact I'll show you. It's made by Sunpak. Sunpak's very popular, and if you want to pause to get the information off of this, there it is. But it gives you a tripod, your cell phone holder, and it gives you a light ring. Okay, the reason we use the light ring is because video, or even taking photographs, if there's not enough light, they tend to get grainy. So if you're looking at starting a channel or want to know what to start with at the cheapest you can, this unit right here sells for like $39.99. Alright, you can buy it at Best Buy. It's just a cheap setup, simple to work. So anyway, you get basically your tripod, which is this guy, and your tripod has extending legs, so it'll go up to 42 inches. Which is perfect height if you have nothing in front of you and you just want to have it sitting there at sitting height. So you can extend it up. Uses the standard quarter drive for mounting any type of camera, for any camera that you can hook on there. But then what they give you is they give you this thing right here that you can put on there, and it just threads right on just like a camera would. Like that, and then you can pop your cell phone in there. And in case you don't know, typically TVs and everything are horizontal, not this way. So when you do a recording, you typically want to do it this way. So if somebody's looking at it on their tablet, they want to see the full screen. So horizontal is the way you want to do your videoing when you're using your camera, or any camera for that matter, not this way like most people do with their cell phones. Anyway, so we got that hooked up. Another thing you're probably going to want is a small battery pack with USB ports. Alright, USB ports doesn't have to be super fantastic or anything like that. You want a battery pack, but then what you get is this unit has a flash pad on the top, and you can put your light ring on here. Maybe we'll see here. I had it set for my camera, so it's not going to be the same. Well, sure, make it difficult. But anyway, you slide your light ring in, and then you hook it up to, it uses a USB plug on it. Alright? And then it's got a little controller right there, like that. Okay, so we plug this into this little battery pack, or you can plug it into your computer if you're sitting by your computer like I am, which is typically what I'm going to do when I'm using it. And I guess to make sure I plug this in right. But I think we're in. Yep. And so now you can set this tripod up so you're filming yourself, and then you've got this light ring to light your face up so the video isn't grainy. And then you got your little button here. Maybe I hooked this up wrong. Let me just see here. Or don't have it plugged in all the way. There we go, that should be correct. But There we go. So you've got different colors, and then you can make it softer. Or you can make it even brighter. So for $39.99, you might be able to find it cheaper on Amazon or something. Not a bad investment, really. You know, for the money. If you're getting started on a YouTube channel or just starting one, I mean, it lights up a face nice, so you don't get that graininess. That was kind of what caught my eye, was this light ring. There's a number of reasons people use a ring versus what I'm currently using right now. One, if you don't wear glasses, it makes your eyes stand out better. So anyway, for all you out there that might be interested in this product, it's a pretty good little product actually. For the price, it's cheap, it's easy to, you know, get a hold of. Everybody has a cell phone. So anyway, I hope that was informational for you. Until next time, I do have some more videos coming here in the near future. Pretty soon this whole wall behind me is going to look a little different because I'm getting ready to do a little modeling up in here. I'm running out of room in my office, so I got a big shelving unit coming in. I'll also be doing giving you some more information on my bicycle. I'll do another video on that, things on that. So otherwise, for now, I'm all done. If you like and want to subscribe to the channel, it's either down here in one of these corners, I can't remember which, but please subscribe, share it with your friends if you know somebody that might be interested in this. Also check out some of my other videos. You guys have a great day.